responsibilities.
I know it.
तुका power असा to fix responsibilities.
See, I am giving the ruling. Are you ready to hear it? My ruling.
Fix the responsibilities because the last session
That's why I am giving the ruling.
तू सांगता health minister बरो ना मानता CM आग reply दिवनी.
That's why I am giving the ruling. Nee. I am giving the ruling for that.
सांग ruling किती ते?
Yes. It is inherent and inalienable right of a member of this House to seek and elicit information from the government in order to discharge his duties as enjoined by the Constitution. When a minister seeks postponement under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the grounds that it is not possible to collect the information in time as it is too detailed, I have to allow it. Therefore, I request the members should not ask questions that are too detailed because it has not to be collected and given within the time limit. Also, the minister should verify on the accuracy of the information tabled because ultimately the minister is held responsible personally for the reply submitted.
कसं काय कोणा तू किती
When the
सांगता?
minister postpones the reply to a question
सांगता ते काहीच
without
कळेना.
any reason, I cannot accept it. It is a member's right to seek information. Though I cannot compel the minister to reply to the questions, I may advise the members to rely on the other remedies unable to address the issue. The minister, if he does not wish to reply or withhold the information in public interest, he should rely on Rule 49(3)
Should resign.
of the
Correct. He
Rules
should
of
resign.
Procedure and state the same.
Should
If the
resign,
government
Malala.
withholds the information on ground of
Should resign,
public interest,
Malala.
the chair must accept the position. Postponement of replies to question without any reason is not acceptable and the minister may note the same.
कसं तुम्ही आता म्हणला if he is not available, he should resign म्हणून.
I have not said resign.
किती म्हणला?
No, I have not said
मला
resign.
काहीच कोणा तुम्ही किती सांगला ते?
I agree. See, under 309,
49 टू किती सांगता speaker sir?
under 309, you cannot challenge the
केल्या
speaker.
दशा डेमोक्रेसीची केल्या दशा या मुख्यमंत्र्यान
House is adjourned up to 12:30.